Hello friends, welcome to Java training session 48. This is Haradhan here as usual. Today I will discuss about aggregation in Java. So what is aggregation? If a class have an entity reference, it is known as aggregation. So aggregation represent has a relationship, okay, between the two class. Suppose I am giving a simple example. Suppose student, right? Student can have like roll number, name, class name, email address, right? It also can have some address, okay? So address will not a single entity. Whenever we are talking about the address also contains some, right? Address line 1, 2, 3, okay? State, city, pin, country, etc. Okay? So student has an entity reference address, right? So student has an entity reference address. Student class has an entity reference to the address class. So the relationship is student has a address. So that is the called aggregation. Okay. So aggregation is also used for code reusability. An aggregation is a form of association where the relation of association can be considered the containing class owning the content class. So that's the simple example of the aggregation. So I will show you how the aggregation work, okay, how we can create an aggregation using the Eclipse for Java. So I have created a class Java training session 48 under the package training. So let's create a class which will be address first. Okay, so that is the class I am creating, right, under which I can add several variable with the relevant data type. Okay, suppose in data type integer, okay, suppose string I am giving as city, right, then I am creating another variable string, okay, state, variable name is state. Then I am creating another variable country, okay. Then another one is suppose integer, because integer pin, right, pin. So these four variable, right, I want to store in the address class, okay. So here I will create a constructor for the address class. So what is the syntax for creating the constructor? So same name of the class name, right? There here you need to pass the parameter, right? So I am passing this 4, string city, okay, comma string state, comma street country, string country, and then integer pin code. Then here for this constructor, right, what I will do, I will simply use this keyword, this dot, right, city equal to city. I need to assign this thing so that whatever value I will pass in through the constructor, so it will display the same thing, equal to city. Similarly, this dot state equal to state, and this dot country equal to country, and this dot pin equal to pin. So whatever value I am passing, I am assigning the same to the here whatever variable I have declared, right, city, state, country, and pin. So if I have these 4 things, okay, or I can add one more thing, suppose string address line, address line. Okay, so here also I need to pass it, right? String address line, I am passing it, and here also I need to this dot address line equal to add. Okay, you can see. So one address can contains address line 1 2 3 like that, but I am just giving the address line where I can put the address, right? The street name like that. Okay, then I have the can have city variable, state variable, country variable, and pin. If this I have this thing, I can obviously identify any address, any kind of address for anyone. Okay, then I am creating a constructor where I am passing all the 5 variables, different data type, and I am assigning the value this variable to these variables. So my that particular class creation is done. Now I want to create a student class. Okay, my this class creation is done. Now I want to create another class student. Okay, so student class whenever I am creating, right, I need to give some, I need to create some variable, right? So how can I create? So I need to define the class student. So that will be syntax, right? So I am creating a class student where I want to specify the student can have some roll number, right? Student can have some name, string name, and student can have some address. So that address I need to use it instead of creating the variable, and I need to give some variable name. So that is the aggregation. Okay, so whenever I want to use that address, so I am taking the from the address class, but I am not defining any other thing. Okay, so that is the aggregation. Here you need to create a constructor for the student class where you will pass the 3 different variables: integer roll number, string name, and the next will be this variable address, addr. Instead of creating a new variable or new data type, it will be similar of address, just as it is of the address class. Then you need to give the second bracket, then this dot name equal to name, right? First one will be this dot roll number dot roll equal to roll, then this dot name equal to name, then this dot address, addr, address equal to addr. Okay, so once, right, you can see, so I am creating a first class of address where I want to pass the different address lines, city, state, country, and pin, right? So I am creating a constructor where I pass the different variable. I am creating another class student, right? So student can have roll number, student can have name, a student also can have address. So I am not creating any data type for the address. Instead of that, I am using the address class and I am creating a variable for the address, and I am passing the same address class and same variables. I am assigning using this keyword. Okay, so in the here I have already mentioned, right? So relation is with student has a address. Okay, right? Student has an entity reference address, so the relation will be student has a address. So that is called the aggregation. So now if I want to create a object or instance of the address class, right, in the main method, right? So for that particular Java training package, why the error message is coming? So student already existing. Okay, if you open the error message, so student class already exists. So let's keep the student details. Okay, so here you need to provide the student details, constructor name also, because I have already created a student class in the same package. Maybe that is the reason its error message is coming. Okay, so now no error message is there, because whatever class you are defining, so that should be unique within the package, right? Or otherwise it will throw some error. Now first create a object or instance for the address class. Okay, so what is the syntax for creating the object? So under that particular class I have the main method. I can create a object add address. The object name will be address, and new address. Here you need to pass the reference for address, right? So in case of address line, suppose address line is test 1 2 3, then in can have city. Okay, so city is suppose Kolkata, right? Then we need to pass the state. Okay, suppose test is West Bengal. Then we need to pass the country, right? As it is string, so it will be within the double quote, India. Then we need to pass the pin code, so it's numeric, so we can simply give this numeric 7 lakhs 1. So that's the syntax, right? We need to end with semicolon. Okay, so you can see address object is created successfully. Now if you want to create this object or instance for the students details class, so I am creating an object equal to new students details, where you need to pass for the student detail. So roll number, what will be roll number? Suppose roll number say suppose 5, name say Rahul, right? And then for the address one, you need to pass the object whatever I have created for address. So that's why aggregation work. Now you can see no error message is there. Now if you want to print everything one by one, so how you can print it? For the student class, right? So roll number you can print it using the object, right? For the students detail class, so object dot roll number, roll, right? You can see it's coming. Similarly for name also you can use the same thing, right? Object dot roll name instead of object dot name, you can simply use it. Now if you want to use the state, city, address line 1, so first you need to give the object reference of the student detail object, and from where it is coming, then you need to give the object of that. For address it will be address. Then if you want to retrieve anything, you can retrieve it. Okay, so that is the aggregation difference. Okay, whenever if you want to get the reference of, right, the class where it is used aggregated, so you need to give the reference of first the class where you are already using that other class, right? Then object of that class, and again dot object of the reference class, then the variable name, right? Similar way you can get all the other details. So that is the basic difference. Instead of address line 1 you can have your city, you can have your state, you can have your country, you can have your pin. Okay, so now let's run it. You can see in the output it's coming, right? Roll number I have given as 5, so it is getting from the student detail class, right? And name it is also Rahul from student detail class. Then address, everything is coming from the address class, right? Address line 1, city, state, country. Okay, so here I have given address line 1 as test 1 to 3. Okay, city as Kolkata, right? State as West Bengal, right? And country as India, and also the pin code as 7 lux 1, right? It is not coming. Integer pin code I have given it. New address, where it is not coming integer. Okay, so it is a pin code. Okay, here I have given pin code. Okay, so it is wrongly written. You need to change it to pin, otherwise it will not work, because I have assigned here pin to pin. That is the reason it is taking the default value of the integer, which is 0. Now if you run the program again, you can see it will work correctly. Okay, you can see pin code is coming correctly, right? All the other details, roll number, name, address line 1, address line, city, state, district, and pin code, right? Now if you want to create another object, you can also do it. Let's comment it out. Suppose I want to create another object, first change it to address 1 and change it to object 1. Here you need to give the object 1 reference. Here it will be object 1, it will be object 1, again it will be address 1. Here it will be need to change it to address 1. Okay, here it will be address 1, object 1, object 1, address 1, object 1, address 1, object 1, address 1. Here you can change it, right? Test 5478, like that. Okay, pin code you can change it. Okay, you can change the roll number. Here suppose 2, name is suppose say Raj. Okay, why the error message is coming? I have changed it to address 1, add 1, object 1. Create a field, address 1, and the type. Okay, here it is still fine. If you run the code, let's run it. What the problem is coming? Address 1 cannot be resolved, or it's not a field. Okay, so what's the problem is happening? Okay, so here I have given as R, additional R. That is the reason it is not taking, because it is add 1. Okay, still some problem is there. Create a field, address 1 in the student title. No. Let's copy the code. Okay, you can see it is working. Now if you change it to new address, it will work. Okay, so now if you want to change it, the variable name, we can change it. Okay, simply you need to change it here. Okay, so here also, okay, so no need to change the object of here, right? This reference we can't change it. Okay, if you change it to object 1 also, we need to just change it simply object 1, but we can't change the reference of the class, right? That address. reference. We can't change it. So that is the reason it is not coming. It was throwing some error, right? Now if you run the program, you can see the output will be coming based on that, right? So you can see roll number is coming 5 Rahul test 789 Kolkata West Bengal, like that. Now if you change it to 2, name is Raj, and also I want to uncomment it. I also want to print that thing. Okay, so both the object reference details I want to print it. So now you can see it will print for the both the object reference. Okay, for the first one, what is this? Roll number is 2, right? Raj and test 897 Kolkata West Bengal India, and 75899 was the piece code. Then next one, right? Roll number is 5, name is Rahul. Roll number is 5, name is Rahul, and test 123 Kolkata West Bengal India, and 7 lakhs 1. So that's why you can create aggregation, and once the aggregation is done, that means once the any class has a reference to the other class, so you can create multiple objects in the main class, right? Main methods, and you can also add the values and you can print it as and when required. Okay, so that's all about for aggregations. Hope you are enjoying my videos. So do not forget to like and share my videos. Kindly do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification as and when I will upload any new videos. Do not forget to provide a valuable comment for any input or suggestion. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.